Kling motion control is indeed highly sought after and popular among AI users. However, it can certainly be challenging for free tier users. So in this video, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to use motion control without Kling, for free and with unlimited access.
But before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos from Tekno Jenius. Okay, let's start with the first tool for motion control, Google Flow, Omni. First, I'll create the character in GPT chat. Here's the character. Next, we'll find a reference video on TikTok and download it. To download videos from TikTok, just search for it on Google. Once the materials are ready, we just need to upload them to Google Flow. Open Google Flow and click New Project. After that, click Add the video and character image commands, then enter a prompt like this. Click Generate and wait for the results. It turns out the reference video is too long, so we need to trim it first. To speed things up, we'll use the online video trimmer. After trimming, we'll upload the trimmed video to Google and repeat the steps. Okay, here are the results, friends. In my opinion, the Google Flow results are less than satisfactory, as the reference character's movements don't match the reference video. The reason for this is that the character's clothing in the reference video is too tight. Okay, let's move on to the second tool, Pixverse. Pixverse is free and arguably unlimited. You'll be given 60 credits per day. That's certainly enough to generate 2 to 3 videos. I've put the link in the description. We'll move on to a different reference video. Here, I've used a TikTok reference video and trimmed it to make it shorter. Click the motion control menu, then simply enter the reference image and video. You don't need to enter any additional prompts. You can only adjust the resolution. Okay, click Generate, and here's the result.
So there you have it, friends, an easy, free, and unlimited way to use motion control without Kling AI. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.